Casio Edifice EQB-600 connected quartz watch. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, mineral. Display type, analog. Push button fold-over clasp with safety. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 44 millimeters. Case thickness, 13 millimeters. Band material, stainless steel. Band size, 9.5 inches. Band width, 12 millimeters. Band color, silver. Dial color, black. Bezel material, stainless steel. Bezel function, stationary. Calendar, day, date. Special features, solar powered. Item weight, 6 ounces. Movement, quartz. Water resistant depth, 330 feet.